I'll miss these moments a lot. You have made me a better person. You've made me a better father. You've been some of the best teachers I could ask for in my life about really what it means to be a person who's fully alive and who really embodies what we want the most. So I'm very grateful for that. You have touched my heart, and I will always be a part of this community. And remember, our relationship doesn't end; it just changes, and I really do mean that. So I do look forward to the relationship going on for many, many years. Thank you.